LIFW stock analysis tomorrow, Wednesday, and onward. Is MSP recovery stock a buy or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. First things first, we're up like 35%, which is a very good percentages, right? So it's a very good upside move today. Just like looking at it from a hard time frame, this is what my previous technical analysis looked like, if I'm not mistaken. So it seems like my drawings were somewhere here, and I was overall correct on the downside moves. And I'm going to show you the proof in this video. You can check it out yourself. You see, you got the link. This was my prediction. Well, I expected the price to move. You see, right? You see how this looked like? It was sitting at like 23 cents or so, and then after that, it just kind of came down, took out the lows, went up again, went down again, and now we're here. Honestly speaking, this is a bearish trend, so I'm definitely going to mark out this low. This is not going to be a bearish trend if the price really just starts breaking above highs right here, like 141. So that's the only way that I would really be bullish. But yeah, for right now, honestly, like it doesn't mean that I couldn't be bullish on the lower time frame. Like, honestly speaking, and I really know that I'm expecting either the price just to go up like this, but I'm not really going to be. I'm not willing to sacrifice my capital on this choppy of a price section and not a clear set range. So therefore, I'm just going to skip on LIFW. Only way for me to be bullish is going to be above 141. It's not financial advice, just my 2 cents, and I'll see you in the next video.